Tired of manually transferring data between your Google Sheets and WhatsApp, losing precious time and potentially making errors? In this video, we'll show you how to seamlessly integrate your Google Sheets with the WhatsApp API using Aisensy, unlocking the power of automation and dynamic messaging in just a few simple steps. First, log into your Aisensy account and navigate to the Integrations section. This is where the magic begins. Locate the Google Sheets connector and click on it to initiate the integration process. You'll be prompted to authorize Aisensy's access to your Google account. Select the account containing the Google Sheet you want to connect. Now, choose the specific Google Sheet and worksheet within that sheet that you'll be using for your data. Make sure your spreadsheet is well organized with clear column headers. Next, map the columns in your Google Sheet to the variables you want to use in your WhatsApp message template. This is where you personalize your messages using data from your sheet. Configure triggers, which will automatically send WhatsApp messages based on specific updates or changes in your Google Sheet. For example, when a new row is added or a status changes. And that's it. Now, anytime a trigger condition is met in your Google Sheet, a personalized WhatsApp message will be sent automatically. Save time, reduce errors, and boost engagement.